It's happening somewhere in the last few weeks. A decision was made about your life that you weren't in the room for. Not by a person, by Allah. And whatever it was, it's already set into motion, moving toward you right now while you're sitting here reading this. In most systems, a job, a court case, a diagnosis. The decision happens first, in a room you're not part of, and you only find out afterward. Your relationship with Allah's Qadr works similarly. He doesn't consult you before deciding your provision, your timing, your outcome, Allah says in the Quran. Indeed, all things we created with predestination. The decision about what's coming for you wasn't made this morning. It was already settled. You're simply the one waiting to be informed, and the informing is called living it. Nobody gets to read the verdict before it's announced. You don't get early access to what Allah has already decided for you. No preview, no rough draft to review and approve. What you get is the delivery, whenever it arrives, exactly as it was written. That's frustrating if you need to control outcomes. It's freeing if you're willing to trust the one who already ruled on this. There is a gap between something being decided and something arriving, paperwork being processed, logistics being arranged, timing being coordinated. That gap isn't wasted time, even though it feels like it while you're stuck inside it. It's the space where the decision becomes reality. If you're in that gap right now, you're not stuck. You're in transit. You don't need to see the paperwork to trust the ruling. Live today like someone who already knows, deep down, that what's been decided for them was decided by a judge who never rules unfairly. That posture, calm instead of anxious, expectant instead of afraid, is how you wait for a delivery you already trust is coming. It's already been decided. You're just waiting for delivery. Comment. Already decided if you're trusting the ruling today. And if someone you know needs this reminder, send it to them. Allah Hafiz.